What's up guys, the Rash here, welcoming you back into another video, which is a very quick one. And in today's video I have got my hands on this solar charger. It's basically a power bank with the portable charging options. First we're going to look into the features of this power bank, starting with it can charge on the solar panel, high capacity of batteries are available, fast charging options available, as well as a universal output of USBs along with the LED flashlight. But that's not it. This power bank also comes with the wireless charging output of 10 watt. We're going to look into all this in this video, starting with what comes with this packaging, following with the demonstration. By the end of the video you will have an idea that is this product for you or not. So let's not waste too much of time and see what we have in the packaging. So here we have everything which is included in the packaging, starting with the one user manual explaining each and everything about this power bank, one standard USB-C type charging cable. Now in last but not least we have solar powered power bank, where in the front of it you have got a solar panel. As soon bit of light comes on it, it's going to start charging. You're going to see the status indicator light as well, explaining to you how much it's been charged. And on the one of his side you have got a LED flashlight, can be turned on by power on and off button on one of his side. Press hold of it, light will come on. Now if you'd like to change its mode of operation from SOS and everything like that, you can just keep pressing it, off it goes. This multifunctional power button also enables the wireless charging on the back to activate, which we by press of it we activated it, and you're going to see status indicator light that wireless charger is working. Simply place your wireless charging mobile phone right on the back of it and off it goes. Simple as that. Now while your mobile phone is on it, it will be charging. The output of this wireless charger is only 10 watt, which comes in a fast charging regime. And at the same time the status indicator on the back about the wireless charger will be changing too. Now all the specification of this power bank regarding input voltages as well as the output are available on the back. Just open up the compartment, you're going to access all the ports right in here, starting with the one micro USB input port, one USB-C type input port which serves as the output as well, and two standard USB ports, and all the specifications about them are available right on the back as well, where USB-A black color can go up to 5 volt at 3.0 ampere, and a blue one can go up to 5 volt at 3 ampere, as well as 9 volt at 2 ampere, 12 volt at 1.5. That's not bad at all. So as the USB-C as well, which is available for the output too. You can use it to fast charge your mobile phone without any worries. Power bank also comes with a hook installation clip, and hanging using a normal hook to your backpack would be easier too. Now let's have a very quick look within the specification of this power bank batteries. That is very important before we go ahead with the demonstration. Power bank comes with the batteries which has got a capacity of 3.7 volt at 24,000 milliampere hour, goes up to 88.8 watt hour. That is not bad. It's quite a huge amount of power which will help you to charge your iPhone 7 to 8 times. Or if you got a mobile phone like I have, which is Huawei P30 Pro, take it about at least 7 to 8 times, no problem whatsoever. Power bank is also compatible to deliver fast charging for your MacBook at 18 watts and come with a USB-C output of PD. Not bad at all. And by using your standard USB charger, you can charge it at 6.5 hours, no problem whatsoever. Now whatever is offered by this power bank is decent, to be honest with you. Now let's have a look into the performance, where I will be also using the wireless charger at the same time using the USB ports to charge other things too. Alright, I'm going to use the wireless charger to charge my mobile phone, and at the same time using the USB port I'm going to charge my gimbal as well. Now in terms of working performance, this is a straightforward device which works. Wireless charger option is working fine, so as the USB outputs as well. There's only slight amount of light is required for this to charge, and that's enough all the time. Now if your mobile phone supports the fast charge, I would highly recommend to use this blue USB port. Otherwise you also have a standard USB output port as well for charge all typical devices. Now here I'm charging my mobile phone using the fast charge. There we go. Now at this moment of time we are using this power bank as an output source, so you can see that the status of it, that is only outputting. Now when it's charging, you're going to see the status indicator light here is changing too, which will explain to you that what is happening with it. We don't have enough light in the room now at the moment for it to charge. Now to charge this power bank you have two options. One is a standard micro USB charging port, another one is a USB-C port. USB-C port can work as an input as well as an output, but micro USB port, which can only work as a charging port. Simply plug it in and off it goes. You can charge it. Now as soon as I connected micro USB port, status indicator light started to change. That means telling you that we are charging and how much level is there as well. We're about 75%. Each indicator explains about 25%. Now in about 2 minutes of charging, we gone from 46 to 49 at the moment of time. That's not bad at all. Kind of working fine, being honest with you. So here we are in the end of the video where I have explained each and everything which you wanted to know about this power bank, starting with its features like solar charging, wireless charging output as well, LED light on it, which works great, and all its sports performance too. Pretty decent product, to be honest with you guys. Now in terms of weight, it weighs about 450 grams. Not that bad, not that heavy, to be honest with you, to go on the backpack. Yes, the other feature which I couldn't find myself is the waterproofing, that this power bank is outdoor compatible or not, which I couldn't test, to be honest with you. I had to see some specification before I put it on a test at all. So that will be all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any more questions, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to help anything you wanted to know about it. See ya then, guys. Bye for now.